could I have let this happen to my brethren? Locked in these cells, our thirst for magic will devour us.
It'll all be over soon, traitor. Lord Garithos plans to execute the lot of you at dawn.
Sunrise can't get here fast enough. These elves give me the creeps.
Don't worry. This prison was built by the Kirin Tor to keep their pets from getting loose. The elves' magic is useless inside those enchanted cells.
Greetings, Kale. I assume we're not too late?
On the contrary, Vash, your timing is impeccable. Once again, I am in your debt. But even if we free my brethren, there is nowhere to run. Garithos' forces outnumber us 10 to 1.
You stand at a dangerous crossroads. You can either stay here and be slaughtered by human hands, or choose a darker path to freedom.
What is this darker path?
In the city above us stands a portal, a gateway that leads to other worlds. My master Illidan awaits us on the other side of that portal. Lead your people to him, and he will forge you a new destiny. He will sate your people's burning hunger.
Side with a rogue demon, or lead my people to their certain deaths. There is no choice here, Vash. We'll have to free my lieutenants first. They'll be able to rally the others while we assault the exit.
As you will.
What's the holdup?
Time is short.
I'll do my best. It shall be done.
Is it time?
I sense something elusive.
Our will shall be
Should
done.
move soon.
For Natatar.
Prince Kale, we knew you'd come.
My people must be avenged. My people must be avenged. Very, very good. Is my aid required? What's the holdup? My pleasure. Should move so soon. Outstanding.
I will not be trifled with.
I sense something elusive. My pleasure. I feel itchy. I'll do my best. It shall be done. We should move so soon. Outstanding. Very, very good. I'll do my best. My pleasure. It shall be done. Vengeance.
Is it time? Verakasha! Brilliant.
I feel itchy. My people must do my best. Outstanding. My pleasure. Very good. It shall be done. Very good. It shall be done.
That guard means to sound the alarm. Stop him.
I'll do my best. I sense something elusive. My people must be avenged. Is my aid my hold up? Outstanding. I sense powerful spirits stirring nearby. Arthas murdered a number of Archmagi when the Scourge ravaged this land. Now the wizard's invisible spirits can find no rest. Perhaps we should track them down and give them peace. I sense something elusive. Outstanding. I sense something elusive.
Our will shall be done.
We should move soon. I feel edgy. Is my aid required? My people must be avenged. I thirst for magic. We should move soon. What's the holdup? My pleasure.
Time is short,
I
mortal.
sense something elusive. My pleasure.
I will not be trifled.
My people must be avenged. I'll do my best. Very good.
Our will shall be done. For the Empress.
Yes, my friend. I feel edgy. Yes, my friend. Of course. Soon. Is my aid required? I sense something elusive. We should move soon.
I grow anxious to act.
I sense something elusive. It shall be done. Yes, my friend. My people must be avenged. Outstanding. It shall be done. Very good. I'll do my best. The undead fled into these tunnels when we retook the city.
Is it time? By your command.
What's the holdup? Be quick. Time is running. My people must be avenged. What's the holdup?
I will not be trifled with.
I feel edgy. This is too easy.
I grow anxious to act.
I sense something elusive.
Our will
I sense
shall be
something
done.
elusive. We should move soon. Vengeance.
By fire be purged.
My pleasure. Outstanding. I'll do my best. My pleasure. Very good. It shall be done. I'll do my best.
Get on with it. Your magic
What's the
is
holdup?
mine.
This is too easy.
The Blood Elves await.
Yes,
Is
my
it
friend.
time?
I feel edgy. Outstanding.
As you command, Prince Kael.
Avenged. My pleasure.
I thirst for magic.
I sense something elusive. I feel edgy.
Be quick. Time is mana. The Blood Elves await.
Is my aid
My
required?
people must be avenged. We should move soon. What's the holdup?
Get on with it.
I feel edgy. My people must be avenged. I sense something elusive.
Get
I
on with
thirst
it.
for
Is my
magic.
aid required?
What's the holdup? That switch on the other side of the wall will release the creatures upon the guards.
I will not
We should
be
move
trifled
soon.
with. Yes. Yes. In Ashara's name.
I sense something elusive. It shall be done.
What ails you?
We should move soon.
Is my aid required?
What's the holdup?
What ails you?
My people must be avenged.
Yes, my friend. Yes, my friend.
I feel edgy.
Is my aid required?
We should move soon. I feel edgy.
The Blood Elves await. Time is mana.
What's the holdup?
I will not be trifled with.
My people must be avenged. Very good. I'll do my best.
Is it time?
I sense something elusive. I sense something elusive. Outstanding. My pleasure. Vengeance. It shall be done.
Yes, my friend.
What's the holdup?
I grow anxious to act
My people must be avenged.
by your command. Brilliant. For Natatar. For the Empress.
I feel edgy.
By your command. For the Empress.
The Blood
Soon.
Elves await.
Yes, my friend.
My people must be avenged. If he trips the alarm, they will send in elite troops to stop us.
Our will shall be
I
done.
feel edgy. Outstanding.
I grow
We should move
anxious to
soon.
act.
What's the holdup? It shall be done.
Time is short, mortal. In Ashara's name. Yes.
I sense something elusive.
Is my aid required?
Is it time?
My people must be avenged.
Our will shall be done. Brilliant.
What's the holdup? I feel edgy. My pleasure.
I will not be
I
trifled.
thirst for magic.
I sense something elusive. We should move
Yes,
soon.
my friend.
On your mark.
Get on with it.
What's the holdup?
Be quick. Time is mana.
Is someone injured?
We should move soon.
By fire be purged.
This is too easy. Very good.
I will not be trifled with.
My people must be avenged.
Do not allow him to reach the alarm.
Very good. I feel edgy. I sense something elusive. I sense something elusive.
Our forces are under attack!
What ails you?
What's the holdup? It shall be done.
I grow anxious to act. Our will shall be done. For the Empress. By your command. Brilliant.
Is my aid required?
I feel edgy.
Yes, my friend.
My people must be avenged.
Is it time?
We should move soon.
Get on with it. Not enough mana.
I sense something elusive.
I will not be
My people
trifled
must
with.
be avenged. Outstanding. I'll do my best.
Is it time?
What's the holdup? I feel edgy.
Our will
should move
shall be
soon.
done.
My people must be avenged.
Yes, my aid required.
I sense something elusive. My pleasure. What's the holdup? I feel edgy.
Time is short,
We should
mortal.
move soon. It shall be done.
By fire be purged.
Vengeance. This is too easy.
Is someone injured?
This is too easy. I'll do my best.
What ails you?
I grow
What's the
anxious
holdup?
to
I
act.
Blood
First
elves
for
are
magic.
magic.
We should move soon. Very good.
Is my aid required? What ails you? Yes, my friend.
My people must be avenged.
I grow anxious
Is
to
my
act.
aid required?
I feel edgy.
Is my aid required? I am your servant. As you wish.
I sense something elusive.
Is someone injured? Time is mana. Leave it to me.
My people must be avenged.
Is it time?
What's the holdup?
I will not be trifled with.
I feel edgy.
Time is short, mortal.
I sense something elusive.
Our will shall be done. Yes.
We should move soon.
The Blood Elves await.
We should move soon. Outstanding. My people must be avenged. What's the holdup?
Time is
I
short,
sense something
mortal.
elusive.
Taste my sting.
I feel edgy.
Yes, my friend. Get on with it. Yes, my friend.
My people must be avenged. I feel edgy. My pleasure.
Is my aid required? Right away.
I sense something
Is my aid
elusive.
required?
Is it time?
Good to see you alive, my prince. What are your orders?
Yes, my friend.
I will not be trifled with.
Is my aid required?
Erasasha! In Ashara's name.
I feel edgy. Vengeance. I'll do my best. My pleasure. It shall be done.
I grow anxious
We
to
should
act.
move soon. I sense something elusive.
Yes, my friend.
I thirst for magic.
What's the
mana.
hold up?
Stand.
Is my aid required? Must be avenged.
I will not be Is it time? Our will shall be done. Brilliant. Oh boy, I'm short.
I sense something elusive.
Is my aid required?
Done.
We should move soon. Very good. Outstanding.
Yes, my friend.
I will not be trifled with.
I feel edgy. My pleasure.
Yes, my
We
friend.
should move soon.
On your mark.
Get on with it. Watch and learn.
Yes, my friend.
My people
The
must
Blood
be
Elves
avenged.
await.
Is someone injured?
I sense something elusive.
Get on with it.
Not enough mana. Not enough mana. Not enough mana.
Clever.
Is my aid required?
What's the holdup?
Is my aid
I'll do
required?
my best. Very good. It shall be done.
Is it time?
I'll do my best.
Time is short, mortal.
I feel edgy. I feel edgy. It shall be done.
Be quick. Time is mana.
What's the holdup?
I grow anxious
I
to
sense
act.
something elusive. My people must be avenged. Very good.
I grow anxious to
We
act.
should move soon.
Ram,
Outstanding.
ba,
My pleasure.
you,
Very good.
Ram,
Outstanding.
you, ba,
My pleasure.
you,
It shall be
Ram,
done.
ba,
I'll do my best.
you, ba,
It shall be done.
Ram,
My pleasure.
you,
Very good.
ba, Ram,
Outstanding.
ba,
I'll do my best.
Ram,
Outstanding.
you, ba, Ram, you,
I will not be trifled
What's the
with.
holdup? I'll do my best. We should move soon.
By fire be purged. By fire be purged.
It shall be done.
Is it
My
time?
people must be avenged. I sense something elusive.
Our will shall be done.
Edgy.
Time is short.
My people
What
must be
ails you?
avenged.
In Ashara's name.
Very good. I feel edgy.
Is my aid required? I thirst for magic. blood elves await.
I sense something elusive. What's the holdup?
Yes, my friend.
We should move soon.
I will not be trifled with. Is it time?
I feel edgy.
Yes,
Is
my
friend.
aid required.
I sense something elusive.
The blasted elves are free! We can't take them alone.
We don't have to. We can loose these creatures on them.
Is my aid required?
Our will shall be done.
Yes, my friend.
What ails you? As you wish.
My people must be avenged.
Time
Yes,
is
my
short,
friend.
mortal.
I sense something
Is my aid required?
elusive. I feel edgy.
Is my aid required? Yes, my friend.
My people must be avenged. My pleasure.
Is my aid required? Right away.
We should move soon.
Yes, my friend.
What's the holdup?
Is my aid required?
What's the holdup?
Yes, my friend.
I sense something elusive. I'll do my
I
best.
grow anxious to
My
act.
pleasure.
Is it time?
I feel edgy.
Our will shall be done.
We should move soon. Outstanding.
I will not be
My
trifled
people
with.
must be avenged.
The blood elves await.
My people must be avenged.
Yes, my friend. Is my aid required?
Prince Kale.
Is my aid required?
Shall be done. We should move soon. What's the holdup? I sense something
Is it
elusive.
time? Time is
You've gone as far as you're going to go, Prince Kale. Make it easy on yourself.
You served the Kirin Tor well, Kasan. But the old order has passed away. My people and I are leaving this damn prison, one way or another.
It's a shame to see a good wizard gone bad. Do what you have to do, lad.
I grow anxious
Of
to
course.
act. For the Empress.
My people must be avenged.
Yes.
I sense
I
something
will not be
elusive.
trifled with.
I thirst for magic.
Our will shall be done.
Yes, my friend. Be quick. Time is mana.
What's the holdup?
Is it time?
Is my aid required?
Our will shall be done.
We should move soon.
Yes, my friend.
I am your servant. As you wish. I am your servant.
I feel edgy.
Is my aid required? Is someone in? Is my aid required?
Something.
Right away.
I grow anxious to act.
Yes, my friend.
I feel edgy. We should move.
Yes, my friend.
What's the holdup?
Is my
I
aid
sense
required?
something elusive. Very good.
Our forces are
Is
under
my
attack.
aid required?
My people must be avenged.
Get on with it. Get on with it.
I will not be trifled with.
Time is mana.
I sense something elusive.
Do you require aid?
My people must be avenged.
Time is short, mortal.
You should move soon.
Time is short, mortal.
What's the holdup? Very good.
I grow anxious
I
to
feel
act.
edgy.
Is my aid required?
Waiting on you. Say no more. Will it be?
Is my aid required?
This better
I
be
will
good.
not
Is
be
my aid
trifled
required?
with.
Right away. Yes, my friend.
My people must be avenged.
The Blood Elves await.
Is it time?
What's the holdup?
Yes, my friend. As you wish.
Our will shall be done.
What ails you? Yes, my friend. Is my aid required? Of course.
I will not be trifled with.
Yes, my friend.
You should move soon.
Our will shall be done. By your command.
I feel edgy. I'll do my best.
Is my aid required?
What's the holdup? My people must be avenged. I sense something. My brethren are assembled, Bosch. Now all we need to do is reach this portal of yours. and-
Hold, good prince. We'll need to keep the portal open long enough to usher everyone through. But Garithos' forces will likely attack it before we can make our escape.
Then I will hold him at bay. I'll buy you all the time you'll need.